The best days are always Bolaire arrival days. Today, I just got my Pet Monster sneakers from Bolaire's, and matches my Pet Monster hoodie that I got a few weeks ago. So let's unbox them and see what they look like. Ooh, yeah. Forget about Christmas. Forget about Halloween. This is what it's all about right here. And custom box. Now, I don't know if you guys have ever had anything from Thom before, but Thom Bulman and Bolaire's, they create some amazing things, man. Thom's work is truly incredible. I'm really happy with everything I get. And wow, let's take a look. Oh, they look so good. Alrighty. Let's put it here for a second. Inside the box. If you guys get a chance, go check out Thom Bulman at Bull Airs on Instagram. Bull_airs, I think. Yeah, sorry. But amazing stuff. Get these open. Oh, this is so nice. Now, I got his Jack Burton's a while back. And again, these are the pride of my collection. I gotta make room for these though. These are really nice. The fur feels so cool. And the chains, I don't know if you can see, the chains are nice and thick. Really nice texture. The logo, nice and smooth and shiny on the sides. And the toe cap is the same material. It seems to be the same material, pretty similar to the pockets on the sweater. And the red fur matches the inside. Let's get the other one out of here too. The soles are a nice blue, nice color. I really like that. Let's get these sides out. I like that he comes with these. Keep them nice and fresh. And the laces. Alright, I'll take out the insoles so you can see those too. Always a cool detail. The insoles are great. Got the monster's face in the middle. So great. so cool. All right. Let's see. Let's put them on. Yes, they fit perfect.